Hello, all of you vigorous people of the internet. I hope you're all doing vivaciously. I feel like I owe you guys a bit of an explanation and borderline an apology. So first and foremost, I do apologize that it's been a while since I've released content on my channel. For those of you that are familiar with my channel, I pretty religiously will release a video every 2 weeks. Sometimes that blows out to 3, but I do try and stick to every 2. And the reason why this happened is for a few things. Reason number one, life has been extremely busy. Everyone gets busy, stuff comes up, and we all get involved in doing things that are necessary, and we can't focus on the things that we want to do. And one of the things that I want to do, because I simply enjoy it, is make content and release it on the channel. So that's reason number one. Reason number two, which is a lesser of an excuse than number 3, is I've actually had some medical stuff going on. So I've had a few surgeries over the past few months. For those of you that care, everything is all sweet. I'm all good now, on the tail end of everything, and life is slowly getting back to normal. For those of you that don't care, I still love you anyway. But reason number 3 is because we got ourselves a factory. Let's spin around and I'll show you what we've got and how this came about. So this is obviously our main entry, and then we have our reception door over here. So let's go in and have a look-see. Coming right in, we've got a little bit of a mat. Coming into reception area, we've got a couch and some stuff set up. My reception desk. We've got some merch set up here on the shelf. We've got a little neon sign, which is kind of cool. That leads into sort of like our lunchroom area, fridge, etc. Our little kitchen area. Toilet, obviously. And then coming out into the workshop. Again, main entrance roller door is there. I've still got to put this big sign up out on the road, on the board out the front. I've got my drift car tyres here. Got car cleaning station here, so vacuum cleaner, wall mounted pressure washer, some car wash products and stuff there. That's all looking good. Just some overflow stock of oils down there. Racking unit, all decked out with Penrite stuff. I do swear by Penrite, so that's all filled with Penrite stuff. Some smaller Penrite products down the bottom there. Anything consumable in aerosol cans is there. Fast moving filters, electrical stuff, muffler stock, hoses, parts for jobs that are booked in. Coming through here, more electrical stuff, trans jack. I've got engine crane over there. We've got resonators, bends, mandrel bends, flange plates, exhaust stock, steel stock. That's all in there. We've got my blown up L67, some spare get rags. Then we have a wheel balancer, tyre changing machine, tool cabinet, extension cords on the side. This is all filled up with specialty tools, blah, blah, blah. We have my toolbox over here. Some more welding stuff and grinding discs and stuff down there. Oil drainer onto my workbench or my workspace. Big fan up on the wall. We've got my worker's workspace with fan up on the wall, his toolbox. My compressor from home, got a smaller one back at the house now. All my Milwaukee tools, radio, jump starter, blah, blah, blah. Drill press, bench grinder, 30-ton hydraulic press. And we've got 2 clear floor, 4.5-ton hoists. So happy days. And then we just got like another workbench over here with my vise and stuff on it, and my welder and waste oil. So if you guys want to see how this all came about, this actually was a dance studio. So there was, this wall sort of continued across here, and there was a room in here, and that all had to be taken out. It's been a 5-week job, labor of love to get this thing to where it is now. I did do update videos at the end of every week. So if you guys want to see how this came about, let me know in the comments, and I'll slap a video together and I'll chuck it up for you guys to see. I also forgot to mention we have a mezzanine up there as well. So everything that was in my storage locker is up there as well. So that's it, guys. That's basically where all of my spare time, which is not much, has been. I've been down here most nights in between jobs trying to get this thing set up. It's been a mountain of work, and I'm really proud of what it is now and having a better workspace to work from. So yeah, let us know in the comments if you do want to see how it came about. I'm happy to drop that in there, drop a video on that. So after this video, we'll be sort of back to our regular viewing. We've got a couple of projects coming up that we are filming that we plan on making content on for the channel. And it's just going to be, we're going to try and get it back to doing regular videos with a bit more consistency. So yeah, thank you so much for your patience. Really, really appreciate it. You guys are absolute legends. Please remember to like and subscribe, give someone a hug, and we will see you in the next video.